In this fourth item, we are to come up with both the moment diagram and the qualitative deflected shape for what's ultimately an indeterminate beam, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 independent reaction components. Of course, the horizontal is 0 here, not particularly of real interest. By is given to us as 245 kilonewtons going up, Cy is 120 kilonewtons going up, and dy is a negative 5 kilonewtons going up. In other words, it's actually going down. So let's get this set up here by getting the shear diagram calculated. And so for the shear, we're going to start off at 0, go over, and go over flat because there's no distributed load, and we'll go up then by the point load of 245. We'll go down by 360, 6 times 60, because of the distributed load, and that'll take us all the way over to a negative 115. We go up by 120 to a net of positive 5, flat to 5, and then down the 5 to 0. Right. So the moment diagram then, we'll start off with a nice robust drop immediately to a frowny face or negative 420. It will go flat over to B because the shear is 0, and then we're going to pick up a second order curve. Right, so we have to go find this area here. That means we have to find this distance here to here, and let's see, 245 divided by the total change of 360 times that distance, proportionality wise, we get 4.083, which means that the other segment is 1.9167 or so, right? And so 4.083 times 245 times 0.5 will be the change up, almost exactly 500, minus the 420. That means we have right here at 4.083 we'll have a maximum moment of 80.208 and change, and then we're going to go down this area that is x minus equal 1.5, and we get to a net of minus 30. And then we'll have a positive area here of 5 kilonewtons times 6 meters, or 30 kilonewton meters. That's good. That takes us right where we want to go, which is 0 at the free end. So I haven't drawn the second order curve yet. I got to get that in here. And there's that part. And then try to match it on the other side. Nice and smooth transition over to there. Right now we have then, of course, where we have 0 moment, we've got a inflection point somewhere right in here, inflection point somewhere right there. Mathematically, we could go figure out exactly where that location is supposed to be, but let's focus on the curvature. We got frowny face here, smiley face there, frowny face there, and let's see, that right hand span is constrained, 2 spots with frowny face all the way through, so I think I'm going to choose to draw it first. Try not to get too exaggerated as you draw this, because it'll just make your rest of your drawing harder. We got smiley face in the middle. We want to kick that up above the left hand support because there's frowny face out there that will bring it back down and get it onto the support. And there you go. this is not looking too bad. Kind of like this a little better. We don't have zero slope over the support. I don't know if the tip goes up or down overall here. And there you go. There's your consistent qualitative deflected shape.